Social marketing is an approach used to develop activities aimed at changing or maintaining people's behavior for the benefit of individuals and society as a whole. It is that branch of marketing which is used to create a positive impact on social issues in the area of public health, safety, protection of environment, and community involvement. Social marketing is concerned with helping to achieve and maintain desirable change. Basic principles underlying the practice have been used to help reduce drug, alcohol and tobacco use, decrease infant mortality, stop the spread of AIDS, decrease littering, increase recycling, stop deforestation, make wearing bike helmet a social norm. The social marketing concept holds that the organization's task is to determine the needs, wants, and interests of a target market and to deliver the desired satisfactions more effectively and efficiently than competitors in a way that preserves or enhances the consumers' and the society's well-being. Social marketing seeks to develop and integrate marketing concepts with other approaches to influence behaviors that benefit individuals and communities for the greater social good. Social marketing practice is guided by ethical principles. It seeks to integrate research, best practice, theory, audience and partnership insight, to inform the delivery of competition-sensitive and segmented social change that are effective, efficient, equitable and sustainable. Social marketing is a process that applies marketing principles and techniques to create, communicate and deliver value in order to influence target audience behaviors that benefit health, safety, the environment and communities, as well as the target audience. Social marketing principles and techniques are used by those on the front lines, responsible for improving public health, preventing injuries, protecting the environment and engendering community involvement. Social media networks are a mode of social interaction. It is a platform of sharing and discussing information among human beings. Social media can include text, audio, video, images, podcasts and other multimedia communication elements. Social media sites are nothing but a group of special and user-friendly websites. Social marketing encourages contributions and feedback from everyone. Social marketing includes delivery of ideas at the time of online conversation. It tries to bridge the gap between companies and audience. With all the new channels of social media, people are enjoying this process of participation. Social marketing success requires honesty, transparency and authenticity. You should maintain a trust-worthy relationship with your customers in your SMM, social marketing, strategy. One fake or negative comment can destroy your online reputation. Social marketing is a two-way communication channel. It requires participation from both companies and customers. As a business owner, it is very important to make good connections with your target audience. Online conversation through various social media tools happen in real time with real people. You get a chance to interact with your target audience and you can answer to their queries. Answering to their queries is a good way to build relationship with customers. To make your profile reliable, you need to consistently show your online presence. Effective social media marketer visits their targeted sites regularly. They also get involved with new users and promote their products. They talk to their target audience on a regular basis. Social marketing sites allow you to build communities quickly. This helps you communicate more effectively. Communities share common interests, such as a love of photography, a political issue or a favorite TV show. These communities help you to know about your target audience. You can also support other communities which you think are good for your business. It is very essential to take care of your customers. Social media networks are all about helping each others. It's about providing value to your customers, not just promotion. Don't give importance only to promoting your links. Also share insightful content about your company. Do not send the same message to your community again and again. It works as a spam and it may irritate your customers. Social marketing is the most powerful platform for small businesses. An effective social media marketing campaign grows your business and brings more traffic to your website. Social media marketing is the best marketing strategy. Allows you to promote your company at the same time build relationships. Many scholars ascribe the beginning of the field of social marketing to an article published by G.D. Weeb in the winter 1951-1952 edition of Public Opinion Quarterly. In it, Weeb posed a rhetorical question: why can't you sell brotherhood and rational thinking like you can sell soap? He then went on to discuss what he saw as the challenges of attempting to sell a social good as if it were a commodity, thus identifying social marketing, though he did not label it as such, as a discipline unique from commodity marketing. Yet, Wilkie Moore, 2003, note that the marketing discipline has been involved with questions about the intersection of marketing and society since its earliest days as a discipline. A decade later, organizations such as the KfW Entwicklungsbank in Germany, the Canadian International Development Agency, the Ministry for Foreign Affairs in the Netherlands, UK Department for International Development, US Agency for International Development, World Health Organization and the World Bank began sponsoring social marketing interventions to improve family planning and achieve other social goals in Africa, Sri Lanka, and elsewhere. The next milestone in the evolution of social marketing was the publication of Social Marketing, an approach to plan social change in the Journal of Marketing by Philip Kotler and Gerald Zaltman. Kotler and Zaltman coined the term social marketing and defined it as the design, implementation, and control of programs calculated to influence the acceptability of social ideas and involving considerations of product planning, pricing, communication, distribution, and marketing research. They conclude that social marketing appears to represent a bridging mechanism which links the behavior scientists' knowledge of human behavior with the socially useful implementation of what that knowledge allows. Much of the literature and case examples focus on operational social marketing, using it to achieve specific behavioral goals in relation to different audiences and topics. However, there has been increasing efforts to ensure social marketing goes upstream and is used much more strategically to inform policy formulation and strategy development. Here the focus is less on specific audience and topic work but uses strong customer understanding and insight to inform and guide effective policy and strategy development. Social marketing in most cases stands in contrast to business marketing and serves for society well-being. The techniques of this marketing are used for change of attitudes and behaviors of different audiences in public life. Social marketing is also being explored as a method for social innovation, a framework to increase the adoption of evidence-based practices among professionals and organizations, and a core skill for public sector managers and social entrepreneurs.